So guys, these are the main two things that we need for this modification. This one is a on off switch that can be easily mounted on any motorcycle or bicycle handlebars, and this is a 1.5 meter wire that I bought from a local electrical shop.
After opening the pillion seat, we can see two things over here. One is the CDI unit and the other is the hub that containing all the wire connections for the tail lights. So we have nothing to do with the CDI unit. So let's see what is inside this. Now we have to gently open this cover and take all the wires inside this. We have to be very careful doing this because we don't have to damage these things. So after taking out all the things from the rubber housing, you could see three plugs over here. This big one is for the tail light and the others are for the turn indicators. We got two plugs over here. The green one is for the right indicator and the white one is for the left indicator. So we have to do work on these both. We have to open the rider seat for further wiring. So we have to remove these two nuts using a 12 mm spanner. After taking out the two bolts, we can easily remove the rider seat from the place.
Now I am going to fix my switch on this part of my motorcycle.
So now you can see the end of the wire. The wire is going through this place and through the battery and over here, and from here it got inside the fairing and came outside from here.
After that, we have to connect one of these wires into the positive end of the plug and close it. The same in case of the other plug also. You have to take one of these wires and find its positive and close it with its respective plug. Yes. Now we have done with the job at this part. We have to connect the wire of the switch with the other end of the wire that we took from behind, like this. There is no need of checking polarity in this case. So we have done with the job. We have to test down.